Today, we're going to try one of Vexil's greatest tools, our scalable PSD t-shirts. So what are they? They consist of PSD files that can be escalated to create infinite designs, with no need to have prior design skills. You'll have a huge variety of t-shirt templates in our library, and we're constantly adding new designs every week. Let's choose one and get to it. First, you'll see that every file includes a layer with some instructions on how to use scalable PSD t-shirts. Hide the layer and start working. Each layer is labeled with a color, where green are the easiest to edit and red are the hardest ones. This file contains 2 text elements. To start, we'll pick one of them and double-click it to enable the editing of content and format. Feel free to play around with the spacing, size, color, and font of both texts. The unique ease of use of this tool lies on the smart objects that are part of every design, which allow you to scale one file into endless final products. Keeping the same picture in the back, we'll open the Shapes Smart Object and try out some of the options available. Each one of these shapes can turn everything into a new, unique design. After you pick a shape, close the Smart Object and save the changes. You can then tweak the text or other elements to adjust them to the new design. You'll also be able to apply the same effects and shapes to a new picture. Let's open the Image Smart Object and change the base image for a new one. Keep in mind to use only royalty-free images that you have commercial use licenses for. After you set up the new picture, you can repeat every step of the process again to keep scaling the file into even more unique designs. When you get the design you wanted, just export it as a PNG file and it'll be ready to upload to any print-on-demand platform. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing, and if you want to know more about Vexils, leave a comment down below. See you in the next one!